How do you deal with conflicts in your marriage?
By winning.
The way we handle conflicts in our marriage is we determine how best we can agree that I'm right. And then when that occurs, there's kind of a homeostasis. And everything's at peace at that point.
I would say that the conflict is over when I win.
Well, she's wrong. So that's not how it goes.
He has just not yet gotten to the, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy.
I can live with that.
That's all
it takes to win.
In all seriousness. So how we deal with conflict in our marriage, we don't always see eye to eye. We definitely approach it with two stubborn heads knocking together at first. But eventually we will get to trying to understand the other person's point of view, hearing them out, and working together on a collaboration. But here's the thing. I mean, both of us have the kind of personality where we both want to win. It's important to us. We both need a lot of respect shown to us. And so we have to give that to each other. We can't just want it for ourselves. We also have to give it to each other. And so conflict is a work in progress, but I for sure say that we deal with conflict better now than we did 10 years ago.
Yeah.
I would call it World War III. Back then it was like World War III.